In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom indicator templates in TradingView. This is a handy feature that can enhance your trading analysis by streamlining the way you apply indicators to your charts. So if you're ready to make your TradingView experience more efficient, let's get started. First, you'll need to add indicators to your chart. Begin by navigating to the TradingView website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to pick the asset that you want to analyze. You can do this by entering the asset's name or ticker symbol in the search bar. After selecting your asset, your chart will load, and it's time to add indicators. Look towards the upper part of your screen where you'll see an Indicators button. Click on it to access the wide variety of technical indicators that TradingView offers. You have the flexibility to search for specific indicators or explore different categories. Once you find an indicator you want, simply click on it to add it to your chart. Feel free to repeat this process to add multiple indicators. Remember, experimenting with different indicators can give you varied perspectives and insights into market trends. Once you've got your indicators all set up to your liking, the next step is to save this setup as a template. This feature is incredibly useful if you often use a specific combination of indicators and don't want to waste time setting them up from scratch each time. To save your setup, look for the Template button, which is usually located near the Indicators button. Clicking this will bring up a menu where you'll find the option to save your current configuration. When the Save dialog appears, give your template a descriptive name, something that you'll easily remember later on. Naming it based on the type of analysis or asset it's intended for can be helpful. Once you're satisfied with the name, hit the Save button. And there you have it. Your first custom template is now safely stored in TradingView. Now, let's go over how to apply a saved template to a new chart. If you're analyzing a different asset or just starting a fresh chart, you can easily apply your pre-saved indicator setups. Open your new chart by selecting a different asset. Once your chart is ready, go back to the Template button and select it. You'll see a list of all the templates you've created. Simply click on the one you want to use. Your previously saved indicators will quickly populate the new chart, allowing you to continue your analysis seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create, save, and apply custom indicator templates in TradingView. This process significantly reduces setup time and ensures that your charts stay consistent and tailored to your trading style, so you can focus more on making informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.